Hi, in this lesson we're going to create our image. Last time we created this staging buffer and we used this create buffer function that we abstracted for reuse. But for the image we will need something a bit different. So I copied the whole function over into the texture region, and this function will return a texture handle itself, and it will be called create image. Inside, it will have a vk image create info instead of a buffer create info. And the handle will be a texture handle. The S type also has to be changed. And I will rename the variable. Now, most of this will stay, except the size. And now we have to set the image type to 2D. The extent we will take as a parameter to the function. So I change here that instead of the size, we will be taking a vector 2. And I set the extent width to size X and the extent height to size Y. The depth will be 1. The MIP levels will be 1. And the array layers will also be 1. The format is a 4-channel RGBA value of 8 bytes. By the way, we will have to call vk_create_image here. Anyway, the tiling for the MIP levels will just be optimal. We're not going to use MIP levels anyway. The initial layout will be undefined. The anti-aliasing sample count will be 1. And we will not set any special flags here. Here in the vk create image, we need to change the last parameter to be the handle image. And now we need to add this method inside the header file as well, so that we do not get any errors. Now that this is done, I can go back into the function, and here we need to get the image memory requirements. And the last thing that we will do is bind the image memory. Let's fix this message. And now we can go back into the create texture method, where we will initialize the texture handle with the call to create image. We pass in the image extent. The usage will be transfer destination bit, and we'll also have the usage sampled bit. The memory requirements will be to device local, or in other words, to be on the GPU. This concludes creating the image. In the next video, we'll see how to transfer the staging buffer into the image.